In the heart of the azure ocean, a solitary barracuda swam with purpose. This fearsome predator, known for its sharp teeth and keen eyes, had a reputation that preceded it. Yet, unlike its infamous counterparts, this barracuda was different. Every day, it would patrol its territory, never once resorting to violence. Instead, it enjoyed a simple life, feasting on plankton and basking in the sun's warm rays. The other creatures of the ocean admired its peaceful demeanor, and they called it the Barracuda of wisdom. One day, while patrolling, the barracuda noticed a small, defenseless fish caught in a fisherman's net. The barracuda knew it could easily prey on its trapped prey. However, it hesitated, recalling the teachings of its elders, a wisdom passed down through generations. To be powerful does not mean to dominate, but to protect. A storm approached, causing chaos in the ocean. The nets were thrown about, and the trapped fish was freed. The barracuda could have capitalized on the chaos, but it chose not to. Instead, it guided the lost fish to safety, demonstrating its true power. The other fish marveled at the barracuda's compassionate act, and it became an inspiration to all. The barracuda, however, remained humble, continuing to live its life with purpose, showing that power doesn't always come from strength, but from kindness and wisdom. The moral of the story is, true power lies not in dominance, but in the ability to choose compassion and wisdom over brute force. Just like the barracuda, let us strive to live our lives in a way that demonstrates our wisdom, compassion, and strength.